Classification of accounts, otherwise called the different classes of accounts. Ledger accounts can be divided into personal and impersonal accounts. Personal accounts deal with people and firms, in other words, debtors and creditors. Debtors are people or customers who owe the firm money. Creditors are people or suppliers to whom money is owed. Another name for debtor is accounts receivable. Another name for creditor is accounts payable. Impersonal accounts are divided into real and nominal accounts. Real accounts deal with the possessions or assets of the business. Example of items in real accounts are buildings, machinery, computer, equipment, motor vehicle, furniture and fittings. Nominal accounts are those in which expenses, income and capital are recorded. Example of items in nominal account include sales, purchases, wages, electricity, rent, commission received, rent received, interest received and capital. Earlier we said ledger accounts can be divided into personal and impersonal accounts. What are ledger accounts? A ledger is a book containing accounts, in which information from the journal is posted as debits and credits. If the business is small, only one ledger may be kept, but as the business expands, it is better to have more than one ledger. This will allow different members of staff to be able to record transactions at the same time. There are three different types of ledgers: sales ledger, purchases ledger, and general ledger. The sales ledger, also called the debtor's ledger and the accounts receivables ledger, shows records of customers' personal accounts. It houses all the accounts of individuals who buy goods from the business on credit. The purchases ledger, also called the creditor's ledger and the accounts payables ledger, shows records of the supplier's personal accounts. It houses all the accounts of individuals who sells goods to the business on credit. The general ledger, also called the nominal ledger, contains the remaining double entry accounts that are not placed in the sales ledger and purchases ledger. Items housed in the general ledger include expenses, income, assets, liability, and capital. For more information, see Principles of Accounts for the Caribbean, 5th edition by Sheila Robinson and Frank Wood. 2007, Pearson Education Limited.